Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use LED flash on call and notification. First open settings and scroll down the page. Now just open the accessibility. Now scroll down the page. You can see here audio visual. Tap on it. Scroll down until the bottom of the page. You can see appears on screen LED flash for alerts. Tap it on. Turn on these options. That's it. Hope this video helpful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you need any help about iOS, you can comment me and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.